Week or two ago, we talked about the origin of humanity and genetic relatedness, Adam and Eve, all that kind of stuff. And I realized that I missed something that's extremely important. It has to do with the difference between Y-chromosomal Adam and mitochondrial Eve versus Adam and Eve that we traditionally think of. This really has to do with the difference between genetic relatedness and genealogical relatedness. Genealogical relatedness is what you would think of as your ancestors. So my parents, their parents going back, kind of like a family tree that you'd construct. Genetic relatedness is completely different. It's tracking the frequency of different genes across different populations and different people. As you go back further and further, you share half the genes with your father, and then half of those with his parents, and you keep going back and back and back. Once you get, I think it's 8 or 9 generations, you're no longer genetically related to those people. So when we talk about Y-chromosomal Adam and mitochondrial Eve, we're really talking about specifically what's in the Y chromosome and what's in the mitochondria. And these would be sets of DNA that remain unchanged. Theoretically, these sets of DNA are exactly the same from 200,000 to 300,000 years ago. This is the time period that scientists suggest Y-chromosomal Adam and mitochondrial Eve existed. Another thing that's important that I want to mention is that mitochondrial Eve, Y-chromosomal Adam probably never knew each other, never knew that each other existed, and didn't have any children. The reason why I didn't focus on it that much in the video was that this information, which is related to genetics, isn't very helpful for understanding who exactly we were related to. That's something that only genealogy can tell us.